Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change equation font in Word. So guys, it's very easy to change it. So firstly you need to click on insert. Now equation. Now click on this three dot you see here, select it, and here you see this option AB text. So just click on it. Now click on home, and here you see this combined math you see here. So just click on this small drop down and you can change this font. Like you see here, so many font are there. You select which one you like this one. So just click on it and you can change very easily equation font in Word. So thanks for watching this video.